Have you ever shopped for a mortgage and the lender that you're working with tells you your interest rate is this, but online you found something lower? My name is Mandy. I'm a mortgage lender and I make educational content on TikTok. But more importantly, my real day job is originating loans. If you want to work together or you just want to learn more, follow along. If you Google, what are the average mortgage interest rates? Those lenders that are advertising online are going to show you the best combination and their best interest rate. And 9 times out of 10, that combination is not your scenario. I'm just going to give you an example, and I am not quoting interest rates, and I am not saying that this is based on today's pricing, but let's just say your lender said your interest rate is going to be 6.99% for a conventional loan, and you're putting 5% down, and you have good credit, and your loan officer is not charging you any points, and your loan amount is about $500,000. But you go online and you find cheaper rates, and then you ask your lender, why don't I get a 6.5% interest rate? And your lender says, I can get you a 6.5% interest rate, but you'll be paying for it. These screenshots are as of a few days ago from a few random websites. This is an example of a 6.5 or 6.49% interest rate, but the catch is they are charging you 1%, so 1 point. Also, they are basing this on a $250,000 loan amount with 25% down. Here's another example. This is from another website that will remain unnamed, except for I think they're showing up on my screenshot. Anyway, 6.875%, but they are charging 2 points for that. And here's another website, 6.625%. They're charging 1.5 points. And 1.5 points equals 1.5% of the existing loan amount. So again, the loan amount's a lot lower with this one. With conventional loans, if your loan amount is 275 or lower, you always get a discounted rate. If you put 25% or more down, you always get a discounted rate. If it is your primary residence, you get a discounted rate. If you have credit, ideally 780 or above, you get a discounted rate. 740 is a perfectly fine credit score, and that's where you'll start to see pretty favorable pricing, but it does incrementally get better every 20-point increase. Just remember, whatever you see online is not your exact scenario. Your loan officer is going to have all of your information, and they are going to price out your loan based on their pricing combined with your scenario.